Hey friends, it's me. Hello again. I know I've been missing for quite some time now. One thing I've always tried to do here on my channel is to keep things light and positive. I love sharing the happy moments and the best parts of my life, but I also wanted to be real and honest with you because life isn't always that way. The truth is, my life has been a bit of a mess during my absence, and honestly, it still is. Most of you who have been following me for a while now know that I've struggled with chronic pain and TMJ for over a decade. 5 months ago, I was finally diagnosed with fibromyalgia and started treatment. That diagnosis brought a mix of relief and sadness. It was relieving to finally have some answers, but difficult knowing that fibromyalgia doesn't have a cure, only treatments to help manage it. It's been going okay. I haven't noticed huge changes, but it has made some day-to-day things a little bit easier. Living with chronic pain for so long takes a toll mentally, physically, and even on the people around you. My pain has affected just about every part of my life, including my ability to work, which is one of the reasons why I started making YouTube videos. It wasn't only because I hope one day it would become a job. I genuinely love creating, filming, and sharing these moments. On top of everything, my personal life has been really difficult, and it has been an incredibly hard season for me. But I guess that's life. We all go through seasons that challenge us in different ways. So that's where I've been.
Nice to see you guys. It's been a really long time. Yeah, what an intro, right? I swear, you're like, this bitch is like starting off a video super sad, and look at this energy she has right now. I'm telling you, I'm laughing through the pain, okay? How the hell else am I gonna get by? My life has been like high and low, but mostly low. It's been like so, I don't even know how to describe it, man. It's just been sad and lonely and confusing, and yeah, I'm back. Excited to be back. We're gonna just film whatever. I'm gonna be real with you guys. My house has been reflecting my mental state and just like the thick of like the rut I've been in, and I've been neglecting my home. So we're tidying this shit up. It's messy, it's gross. One of the major tasks I want to do today is the couch covers. They're really gross, you guys. I have not cleaned them in a really long time, and they stink. So we're making sure we get that shit done today, and that is like the one major task. You guys know clean couch covers is a process. Without further ado, let's see how today goes, and I'm excited to take you guys along with me. A freaking wreck, like the kitchen. Got the table that's just messy, and then we are gonna tackle that. To the couch. Ugh. I swear cleaning always feels like a mountain to achieve when you are in not the best place, but everything on this couch is being washed. Oh my god. Hey Google, play Katy Perry, Let It Burn. Did you not hear me?
Watch It Burn by Katy Perry on YouTube.
Oh, it's Watch It Burn. I said Let It Burn. What am I thinking, Usher? Give me the gasoline. Tonight's the night.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces.
stuff in the wash. I got all the couch covers right here, but I did want to show you guys something that we got off the Facebook Marketplace that I have in my like spring reset video that I absolutely love, and I wanted the other style of it. I have to wash it still, that's why it's in the laundry room, but this was it. The lady was selling it for $25 and it's in amazing condition. But this is something I still need to like wash. I don't know exactly how. I'm thinking I'm going to soak it in the bathtub and then just hope for the best.
I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from?
I think my hair needs to go up because it's hot. There's my hair clip. I want to show you guys the cutest like little lamp. I got a few lamps for like the coffee station and the kitchen that are really adorable. You guys probably have seen it. If not, I'm pretty sure they don't sell it anymore, sadly, because I've been gone. But it's from Walmart and it's super adorable. But I also love that you can just touch the top. And it's so cute. It just adds a nice little more homey feel to this corner and some extra lighting because it's pretty dark right here. But yeah. So on the espresso machine, I actually got a couple creamers. I got a couple little creamer pitchers, and this one is my absolute favorite from Hobby Lobby. They still sell this for summer. As I said, I haven't decorated for it, so I'm really thinking I just need to freaking go for it and then just enjoy the rest of July with some summer, and then I'll just put it back. Espresso cup from World Market. But yeah, it's not my favorite season. I don't really like summer because I hate sweating. I hate how hot it is. It's just, I don't like it. I love fall, winter, and spring. Summer, like, bitch, get out of here. I don't like it. I'll probably show you guys some things that I have out in the kitchen as well as I go along.
Where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? I'm calling you 'cause I need you to play on, yeah, I need you to play on you 'cause my heart is on hold on, so I need you to play on. I'm your limbo, you're my intermission. Just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? I'm calling you 'cause I need you to play on, yeah, I need you to play on you 'cause my heart is on hold on, so I need you to play on, play on, play on, play I'm calling you 'cause I need you to play on, yeah, I need you to.
All right, I am done with the couch covers. They're clean. It smells so much better. And I'm just washing like all the blankets and stuff now. I am not in a great mood, but we're pushing on through. I literally thought I had to load. What am I doing? What am I doing? Mama's losing it. I don't know. Okay. Load the dishwasher. That's what I'm doing. Okay.
Going through the motions, I'm dreaming of the ocean as I swim above a riverbed. Life is so fraudulent. Towel off my guilt as I shuffle through the silt. Draw a line in the sand, wonder where I should stand. I don't wanna be the one who's loose with all the bad news. It's not mine to tell, I'm not a vessel.
Oh, I'm struggling so bad right now. Like my energy dipped so bad. I'm just feeling very heavy at the moment. I'm like frozen. I need to play some music. I think that's what I need to do. It's food time free. Okay, you get your food. Okay, let's eat. See. I'm forgetting, my mind's a mess. Okay, please.
Do I lie on a couch? Let someone figure me out.
These are the pillows from Target. Got them on clearance. I think they were $15. And then I got one for like $9 when it hit like 75% off. But I'm going to match these. I have 2 of this one and then 1 of this one, which will go in the middle.
Tired of this feeling, tired of this feeling. Going through the motions, I'm playing with devotion, but it
And living room is done. Free is all cozy. That's my little decorating.
Should I sit by myself, ask the quiet for help? Do I lie on a couch, let someone figure me out? 'Cause I'm getting tired.
I'm burning. You guys, I have kept this bedding from Quince on ever since 5 months ago. I absolutely love it. I will have the links for it still in the description of this video because I think it's a beautiful set, and I'm debating if I want to use it for fall this year because the stripes and the terracotta orange is so beautiful, and it's just been so cozy and soft and comfy, and it's very breathable. It's been really hot here. I do have like a bamboo like fitted sheet on because I like that cool feeling, even though the linen is really lightweight. But I also put a bamboo sheet on because I'm afraid of Free. Free is so rough, and even though this is pretty durable, I just don't trust it with Free. Like her nails, she always kicks her legs. Pretty sure I checked recently and they still sell this shade, and yeah, it's just beautiful. I put my World Market crochet like granny square pillows on there, and I love how it looks.
And maybe this is a better angle. It's starting to get dark, so the lighting's not the best, but yeah, super pretty. It's holding up amazing. I love this, you guys. It's so beautiful. So pretty. Love the texture. I can go on and on about it. Like I said, I'm debating if I want to use this one still for fall, but I feel like I'm still confused on that. I don't know. What do you guys think? I have been eyeing another shade on Quince. I think it's like a warm brown or like a rust orange. I don't know. One of those shades. I think that would look really pretty for fall, but I do love this. So we'll see. We still have time to decide what we want to do for our fall bedding. I know I have the gingham that I used last year, so I could bring that out and use it again. That's something I can do.
the bedroom is done. I'm gonna shower because I feel sweaty and gross. Get ready to wind down. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys the pants, but I also want to show you what I have in the kitchen because I totally forgot. Such a spaz. So I do want to share with you guys because these canisters I got last year. I actually left 2 of them out to use for like spring and summer because I'm obsessed with them. You guys, they have these in store at Home Goods and like Marshalls and all of those stores currently, if you can find them. But yeah, they have these currently. Make sure you check out Home Goods because if you're like me and you love this color. So remember how I said I got some lamps? I got the Walmart one over there, and then I did get this one from Hobby Lobby, again with the same style. You guys know my home aesthetic. Oh, it touches on the bottom. Sorry. But yeah, I got that for this little corner. I really need to figure out this corner when I decorate for fall because I don't know how everything's gonna fit. This side of the kitchen is usually like darker, so I wanted to add some light. Like this corner of the kitchen has no under cabinet lighting, so there is a shadow spot or a dark spot. That's what I got for that stuff. I'm gonna share with you guys the some of the pants I made. I also made some skirts, which that was hard. It's right here. I got all this fabric is Hobby Lobby pretty much, but I made some of these for fall. They're so cute and comfy. And then I made these ones. Don't mind the tampons, girls, you know. I have all of these that I made that I really need to go through, but you can kind of get the gist of the style I was going for, and those ones are my fave. But I will show you guys some more, you know, you'll see when I wear them. But I thought it was really fun, and I actually do have another I think 1 or 2 pants I want to make that I'm actually going to film and share with you guys. One is full on fall. I'm going to take a shower now because I'm super sweaty. Like, can you tell? It's disgusting, but. Hey, you. I need to put your blanket on. You're not supposed to be directly on there. Oh, you're so cute. What a love bug. You hear the shower on? You want a bath? Just gonna call it a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed spending today with me and seeing me again. I enjoyed seeing you guys, and I can't wait to go through my bins with you guys in my next video and just really throw myself into fall and just all the fun things. Anyways, that was my day. Thank you for spending it with me, and I will see you guys all soon. Bye.